Today we return to one of the most popular condominiums in central business district of Bangkok, the Waterford Diamond, located on main Sukhumvit Road, Soi 30/1. And today we visit a renovated condo with an amazing view from a high floor in the Waterford Diamond condominium. This property was recently renovated. It features 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with a balcony, very high floor, it's higher than 40th floor, and the facing direction it's south. That is very important for the Waterford Diamond because for south facing direction you have an amazing river view. I'm sure you will like this condo, especially because in Waterford Diamond prices are quite reasonable. If you are interested to purchase this apartment, please feel free to contact us. Contact details you can see on the screen of the video as usual. And if you want to receive alerts about properties in Bangkok that make sense, you need to push a like button, to subscribe to our channel, and to push a bell. This way you will receive alerts about properties in Bangkok that make sense with CondoDee. I'm WinWin. Enjoy the video. Bye!
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.